This is Geoff from Clark Solutions in Hudson, Massachusetts. In this video, we will discuss some microfluidic pumps, valves, and kits we offer. The Takasako SOV and Memetis Series 9 are isolation valves driven by shape memory alloy. Nitinol actuated valves are ideal for microfluidic applications due to their small size, low power requirements, and inert materials. Our valves offer customizable connections such as hose barb or manifold mounts, along with wetted materials such as Peak and PPS. Orifice sizes range from 0.4 to 0.8 millimeters. Piezo-driven diaphragm pumps have a small footprint, allow precise control, come with many inert materials options, and can be cost-effective with multiple pumps. The Bartel MP6-L Piezo Pump has an internal volume of 30 microliters with flow rates from 5 to 8,000 microliters per minute in free flow and up to 500 millibar pressure capacity. The MP6-G, the gas version, has flow rates up to 25,000 microliters per minute in free flow. The performance of the MP6 is dependent on application parameters such as viscosity and pressure. The Multiboard2 Driver and basic app can adjust the pump frequency and amplitude, a valve actuation, and timer. The advanced app can control pumps, valves, and sensors such as pressure, flow, and temperature, along with some data logging options. Shown here is a setup of the MP6 Piezo Pump and the Takasako SOV valve with the Multiboard 1. Here is a demonstration of turning on the MP6 pump with the app and actuating the SOV valve. And turn it back on. We thank our partners at Bartel, Takasako, and Memetis. Should you have any further questions or would like to discuss more about our pumps, valves, or microfluidic kits, contact Clark Solutions via our website, phone, or sales email.